Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. I can't believe it's already time again to unbox my new bullet journal for 2024. But that's exactly what we will do in this video. Unboxing and customizing my new Leuchtturm 1917 120 gram paper journal. I'm really excited, especially for the customizing part, so make sure to stick around till the end to see the cool motif I created for my new journal cover. This bullet journal is exactly the same journal I used this year, so for 2023. So if you want to see an in-depth comparison of the 120 gram paper journal to the bullet journal edition 2 or the normal plain dotted journal from Leuchtturm 1917, I will leave a link in the description down below to last year's bullet journal unboxing and comparison video if you still need some help on deciding what type of journal to pick. I am sticking with the 120 gram paper one because I think it's the perfect thickness of paper to use with any kind of mediums and markers and anything. The other things I really love about this journal and why I think it's the perfect bullet journal for me for years now is the numbered pages and the nice, not so dominant dot grids on the paper. I also love the 2 bookmarks. I think it comes in really handy with your bullet journal, as well as the pocket in the back is always needed throughout the year. Now let's get into the DIY and customizing part of the video. I did order some adhesive vinyl to cut one of my tarot card designs with the help of my Silhouette Cameo 4. After peeling away the unwanted parts of the design, what is always such a satisfying job to do, I used some transfer tape to bring the motif onto my new bullet journal. and I'm absolutely loving how this one turned out. Can't wait for the fresh start in this amazing new bullet journal for 2024. If you want to see my process of setting up this bullet journal for the new year, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you will never miss a video. I hope I can get it out next week. We will see. If it's already out, I will leave a link in the description down below. Are you planning on starting a bullet journal in 2024? Or are you a fellow bullet journal enthusiast like me who can't wait for the fresh start anyways? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy.